Gardening is a rewarding and fulfilling hobby that brings you closer to nature while providing fresh, homegrown produce. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting out, understanding the best practices for caring for your plants can make a significant difference in their health and productivity. From pruning techniques to natural fertilizing methods, small adjustments in how you tend to your garden can lead to bigger, healthier harvests and more vibrant plants. In this video, we'll share 4 essential tips that can help you improve your gardening skills and get the most out of your plants. These practical strategies focus on maximizing growth, increasing yields, and promoting sustainable gardening practices that benefit both your garden and the environment. Let's dive in and explore how you can nurture your garden to thrive all season long. Tip number 1. Tomato plants are frequently pruned incorrectly, which can seriously affect their growth and fruit yield. Many gardeners are unsure how to prune or which tomato plant types require more or less pruning. Some mistakenly remove the wrong parts, weakening the plant and lowering harvests. This guide explains how to prune tomato plants properly to maximize growth and fruit production. Before starting, please like, share, and subscribe. Tomatoes come in 2 main types, determinate and indeterminate. Pruning depends on which type you are growing. Determinate tomatoes grow to a fixed height, produce all their fruit at once, then stop growing. They are compact and need little pruning because excessive removal of leaves or branches can reduce fruit production. Indeterminate tomatoes continue growing and producing fruit all season, often growing very tall, so they require pruning to remain healthy and productive. For indeterminate tomatoes, first remove the lower leaves, especially those near the soil, as they are prone to diseases from bacteria and fungi present in the ground. Removing these leaves improves air circulation and disease resistance, keeping the plant healthier. Next, remove suckers, small shoots growing between the main stem and a branch. If left, suckers develop into full branches, making the plant bushy and overcrowded, reducing airflow and wasting energy on leaves instead of fruit. Removing suckers directs energy toward fruit production. However, keep 2 to 3 strong main branches and remove the rest. This lets the plant grow taller but remain open and manageable, allowing more sunlight and space for fruit development. For determinate tomatoes, pruning is simpler. Since these plants have a fixed size and produce fruit all at once, heavy pruning is unnecessary. Only remove the lower leaves to prevent disease, but do not remove suckers or extra branches. Determinate plants stop growing after fruiting, so removing branches also removes future flower clusters, reducing tomatoes. Keeping all branches and suckers maximizes fruit production before growth stops. Understanding the difference between determinate and indeterminate tomatoes is crucial for proper pruning. Many gardeners prune determinate tomatoes like indeterminate ones, removing too many branches and reducing harvests. Others let indeterminate tomatoes grow wild, causing overcrowding and poor fruit production. Proper pruning improves plant health and yield. Pruning may seem minor, but makes a big difference. Done correctly, it strengthens plants, lowers disease risk, and focuses energy on fruit instead of unnecessary leaves. It also simplifies plant management and harvesting. Next time you prune tomatoes, follow these steps to help your plants thrive. Tip number 2. Previously, we discussed pruning tomatoes, emphasizing that only indeterminate plants need pruning. These plants grow taller and fruit continuously during the season. Pruning involves removing suckers, small shoots between the main stem and leaf branches. Without removal, plants become bushy and waste energy on leaves rather than fruit. For full details, watch our previous video. Now we'll show you a useful way to use those suckers instead of discarding them. This is an easy method to multiply tomato plants without buying seeds or special tools. All you need is water, a jar, and patience. When removing suckers from healthy plants, select those 4 to 6 inches long from vigorous plants. These suckers share the mother plant's genetics, so if your plant produces sweet, juicy tomatoes, new plants will too. After collecting suckers, place them in a clean jar filled with water ensuring the bottom ends are submerged. Keep the jar in shade. Direct sunlight heats the water and slows rooting. Wait 10 to 15 days for roots to appear from the bottom. Roots may emerge sooner in warm weather. This process requires no rooting hormone, just water and patience. Once roots are 1 to 2 inches long and healthy, plant the suckers in a sunny garden spot. Dig a hole deep enough for roots and the bottom of the sucker. Add compost or worm castings to the hole for nutrients. Place the rooted sucker in the hole, cover with soil, and gently press to stabilize. Water the new plants deeply to help roots settle. Leaves may droop initially, but this is normal as plants adjust. Within a week, new tomato plants will grow normally. This method is perfect for gardeners wanting more plants without extra cost. One plant can become many, and you can repeat this as long as suckers are available. It also allows staggered tomato harvests throughout the season. Tip number 3. Kitchen waste like vegetable peels, onion skins, and banana peels can be transformed into powerful natural fertilizer that nourishes plants and promotes growth. Instead of discarding scraps, use them to create a beneficial garden resource. The process is simple and requires no special tools, just a blender, water, and common kitchen materials. Start by collecting kitchen waste such as vegetable and fruit peels or onion skins. Blend them with a little water until the mixture becomes a thick liquid, similar to juice. This juice will serve as the fertilizer base. Pour the juice into a container, leaving it slightly open to allow air in, aiding fermentation. Place the container in partial shade to avoid extreme temperatures. Let it ferment for at least a week, during which beneficial microbes develop. These microbes help plants thrive by improving nutrient availability. After fermentation, fill a 5-gallon bucket with water and add the fermented juice. The mixture now contains microbes that enhance soil nutrient breakdown, making nutrients easier for plants to absorb. Add a handful of brown sugar to feed the microbes, promoting rapid multiplication. Stir well to dissolve sugar evenly. Within hours, the microbial population will increase significantly. This natural fertilizer can be poured around plant bases. The microbes immediately start breaking down nutrients, boosting plant growth. This eco-friendly method replaces chemical fertilizers, reduces waste, and saves money. You can adjust ingredients based on available kitchen scraps. Blend thoroughly, ferment for a week, and add sugar to multiply microbes. Repeated use improves garden health, resulting in stronger stems, greener leaves, and larger harvests. This fertilizer is ideal for vegetable gardens and other nutrient-demanding plants. Use it throughout the growing season for best results. Tip number 4, making organic liquid fertilizer from tea bags and oatmeal is a simple, effective way to feed plants. Using discarded or expired tea bags recycles waste and provides nutrients. Here's how to make it at home. Take a container large enough to hold the mixture. Add about 1 cup of oats and 5 tea bags used or expired. Oatmeal forms the fertilizer base, while tea bags add extra nutrients. Pour lukewarm water over the oats and tea bags, warm enough to release nutrients, but not hot. Stir well to mix evenly. Let the mixture sit for 48 hours, allowing nutrients to infuse the water. After 48 hours, strain out solids to get a nutrient-rich liquid. Dilute this liquid with water before applying to plants to avoid overwhelming them with concentrated nutrients. Oatmeal provides carbohydrates that degrade slowly, supplying steady energy. It also contains phosphorus for root growth and magnesium for photosynthesis. Oatmeal improves soil structure by adding organic matter, enhancing moisture retention and aeration for roots. Tea bags contribute tannic acid, which lowers soil pH slightly, benefiting acid-loving plants like tomatoes, roses, and blueberries. Tea also supplies nitrogen, essential for plant growth and chlorophyll production, promoting lush green foliage. This DIY fertilizer is a cost-effective, sustainable way to nourish plants using kitchen waste. Thank you for watching. If you found this helpful, please like, subscribe, and check out our other gardening videos.